Tired of jumping from platform to platform to find high-quality stock images for your email campaigns? Our Unsplash stock photography integration makes it easy to use beautiful, curated images in your email designs. Let's take a look. Open your desired email for editing, or follow the usual steps to create a new one. Insert a new image component, or select an existing one, and double-click on it to open the Files and Images Manager. Here you'll see our Stock Images section. Browse the huge library, or use the search function provided to find something specific. Press Insert to use the selected image, or click the ellipsis to access more functions, such as the image editor. Here you can crop and resize the image if desired. And finally, you can also like any image or file in the Files and Images Manager, including stock images. These will then appear within the special Liked folder, as shown.